People love taking their pets on their RV adventures, and RV Trader is here to help with 9 tips for traveling with pets. 1. Prepare your pet. Start with small outings and trips to make sure your pet feels comfortable in new situations and environments. 2. Remember the paperwork. Bring your pet's health certificate and vaccination record, as most RV parks require them. 3. Make a list. Write down everything you'll need for your pet, including leashes, food, toys, medication, and more. 4. Call ahead. Make sure the RV parks and campgrounds you want to visit allow pets. 5. Stay up to date. Confirm that your pet is caught up on vaccinations and shots. 6. ID your pet. Add your cell phone number to your pet's ID tag. 7. Protect your pets. Make sure your pets are treated for fleas and ticks. 8. Be a good citizen. Remember to pick up after your pets. 9. Get outside. Exercise and enjoy some quality time with your 4-legged friend. For more tips on how to make sure your pets have a positively amazing road trip experience, visit rvtrader.com/blog/pets.